Pull up in the gravel, dust on the chrome. Tiny little kingdom, rolling like home. Campers and vans, tremors with pride. Tell me your story, tell me the ride. Where did you wake up? Under the sky. What made you pack up and never ask why? I wanna know you. Bucket seat dreams. Show me the miles and the in-between. Show me your homes on wheels. Show me your homes on wheels.
This is my friend Jeannie. And this is your second camp out with the Lady Glampers, right?
Yes, it is.
You came to Westport. Yes, that was so much fun. Well, I'm so glad that you're here with us, the first camp out of 2026 here at Van Dam State Park. And you have a new rig to you.
It is to me.
Okay, can you tell me about your rig? What kind of rig is it? What's the brand?
It's a Dodge Ram van, 1996.
Named your van Moose.
Yeah.
How many, you just bought it. How long ago?
I bought it about 3 months ago, and I bought it from a couple that used to go camping. They don't go anymore. And this is like our third or fourth camp out, and I love it. And the dogs love it.
And your dogs love it. Let me get a picture of your doggies. Here's the doggies. That's Theodore. And this is Frankie. Yeah, hi Frankie. And they travel with Jeannie. So, can we go inside?
Absolutely.
All righty. You're leading.
It's not big like yours.
No, don't worry about that. It's yours. Everybody wants to know what everybody camps in. Okay, beautiful. So now, is that a bed that you put in, or is it a couch? Or?
It's a bed we put in. The couple had a queen size platform, and I sold the mattress, the bed, everything, and built this little twin size frame.
Right, and you've got storage underneath.
And there's storage underneath, and in back. And yeah, and this is the coffee bar, which is my most important thing. Let me just shove this back up here. Oops. There's my little puppy thing.
How cute. Did you make that?
I know someone made it for me.
Ah.
Anyway, so here's the coffee bar with all the stuff to have coffee, and here's my little water boiler and a little lamp.
Okay.
And
your lamp is on, I think.
Yeah.
There we go. And you've got some storage underneath.
Yes, there's storage underneath. I have a porta potty down there.
I see.
I have an electric igloo cooler.
And that plugs into your 12 volt?
It's plugged into the Jackery
Oh,
right now.
oh, the Jackery.
It plugs into my van when I'm
driving
on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, I just put in, little boxes of stuff anywhere I could.
Right.
But,
and then you have some overhead storage up
well,
here.
I'm going to turn that into overhead storage. There was a TV here, which I had no interest in.
Uh-huh.
And then there was a VCR right here.
Uh-huh.
I had no interest in that. And then this is just empty. So we're going to take this off and cut it like a frame.
Okay.
And put it back up. And then we're going to make a box on the inside to do storage.
And then your cab, is there anything special about the cab?
There really isn't.
Okay. Do you have a backup camera?
I do.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. I had that put in.
And then where your hand is that storage?
Yeah, these are only, inches.
Little bitty things.
Oh, look at the surprise in here. Bones. But anyway, they're just real tiny.
Yeah, I see that.
So.
And you've got quite a few of them that you can stuff stuff in.
This one's bigger.
Yeah.
This one has my books.
Okay.
And things in it.
Okay.
So it has books, but this is a little one. And this is a little one.
Okay. Well, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Good. Go ahead and have a seat.
But I had my neighbor make me the curtains, and I put up a shower rod.
Yes.
To put up the curtains, and she made these.
Yeah.
I had one pair of blackout drapes, so she made it all
out of that.
Out of that.
And they're just taupe kind of color on the front, which matches your colors in your rig. So that's really nice. Now, what do you do for water? You have a little USB spout. Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have a porta potty, you have a USB spout water.
A lot of people think that, you know, they see my bed and they're like, how do you sleep on that? It's so little, so short. It is absolutely perfect for me.
Aha, because you're not very tall.
I'm not very tall.
How tall are you?
5'4".
5'4". And then did the doggies sleep with you?
They do. So I sleep more like this.
Over on
I
the
got
edge.
One dog here, one dog there. We all just kind of bunch up
Yeah.
on the bed. But
Yeah.
we love it.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go around and look at your garage. Okay, we're now at the back of your rig. This is your garage area, more storage,
Yeah.
right?
So I have a heater and a stove. And this is a table.
Okay.
And then this little table goes on the other side and I put the little lamp on it
For nighttime.
for nighttime.
Because you don't really have any other power than like your little lamps or things like that, right?
Yeah, the little lamp is SUB?
SUB? USB.
USB.
Yeah.
USB. And almost everything is USB.
Right, right.
But
And which
anyway.
goes into your jackery.
Right. So I plug into
That's
the
your
jacket.
power
And
source.
These are my solar
Panels.
panels right here. I
To
have
charge
two.
the jackery.
This is just the bag with all the cords.
That's okay. That's okay. Well, this is a really cute van. You did good. How many miles were on it when you bought it?
140.
140.
And
Okay,
right now there's about 144.
but the engine was sound.
Yes.
Good engine.
In fact, the man, he's an older guy, and he took it constantly to this one place, so I took it there. And I said, look, I bought this from so-and-so, and he goes, oh my God, you got such a deal, you know.
Very good.
And so he goes, you know, we have all the paperwork on the computer. He goes, he never missed anything. And he was constantly checking stuff. So I said, well, now I'm going to go camping, and I want you to check it for me. And so they did, and they said, you ready to go camping?
Fabulous.
All right, so
Oh,
I checked it all
wow.
out.
I
But
think you did well.
There's a few things I would like to do. I'd like to get the shore plug
Shore
in.
power plug,
Yeah,
yes.
so I'd like to have that plug. And I don't know if there's a house battery we were talking about. I have no, I guess not if there's no shore power.
Right,
to it.
right. But how did they, well, you said they didn't really use the TV, but there had to have been some
Somebody
kind of
did.
source for TV.
Yeah, I have no idea, and I
Okay.
can't figure it out. So I
You have
need
to ask your repair guy.
I have to have the mechanic.
And he could probably
me.
put the shore power in, and then it could plug into your jackery.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah,
That'd
yeah.
be really great.
You could even have solar put on the roof if you wanted more.
I could. I don't.
Then
know
when you're
about
not plugged in.
the roof.
Yeah.
They're so high, it'd be hard for me to clean them. And I park right underneath.
You know
those
how I
trees.
clean them? Wait for rain. You get more rain than I do.
You're smart.
Okay.
smart.
Okay. Very good. Hold on. So, Jeannie, there's two questions I like to ask people. What is the least favorite thing about your van?
Least favorite.
Don't know yet.
I don't know.
Well, you said something about shore power.
Shore power probably would be.
It
good.
doesn't have any
Yeah.
power. So, and then, Jeannie, what is your favorite thing?
My favorite. I have two favorite things. One is the curtains, because it really gives me a lot of privacy, and I feel so snuggled in at night and private. But the other thing is my coffee bar. My friends made me the box, and then I put the picture of the moose on the front of it, and because I said I need a box for a coffee bar, and they're like, and he goes, I have this drawer, and I'm like, that'll work. So he made it into a box. And,
Fabulous.
so that's what my favorites are.
Well, Jeannie, thank you so much for letting me interview you and see your van. And I really am so glad that you are here.
Oh, thank you.
And I hope that you come on more Lady Glamper trips this year. And of course, stay crafty. It's doggy time. Of course, Snickers is here. And we have Daisy May. And then Archie's over there. And Theodore. And Frankie. And Shaggy Maggie. And these dogs are great. They're getting along so well. And Snickers has met a couple of the dogs, but not Archie and Maggie, but they're just having a ball. And we're going to have more dogs coming in, so we'll have a whole pack of dogs. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Join my channel. Want to thank my members Sherry, Rita, Desert Adventures in Arizona, Sally Forth, and Jolly Matilda for being members and supporting my channel. And stay crafty.